Are you dreaming of soft white sand, crystal blue waters, and that warm Mexican sun hitting your face every single morning? Are you looking for the perfect place to recharge, explore, and let someone else worry about the cooking, the cleaning, and the cocktails? Welcome back, travelers. I'm your host from Punta Cana Todo Incluido, and today we are heading to one of the most sought-after stretches of coastline in the world, Riviera Cancun. Now, we know that planning a trip to Mexico can feel like a full-time job, with hundreds of resorts claiming to be the best. How do you actually know which ones are worth your hard-earned money? Well, we've done the heavy lifting for you. Today, we're breaking down the 6 best all-inclusive resorts in Riviera Cancun for 2026. We've analyzed recent 2025 renovations, checked the latest guest feedback, and looked at which properties are truly delivering on their promises this year. We found some incredible gems, including properties that have just undergone massive facelifts that you probably haven't even seen on YouTube yet. So, don't go anywhere. Your 2026 dream vacation starts right here. Let's dive in. In this video, we aren't just giving you a list. We're giving you a guide. We'll be comparing how each resort stacks up who they are best suited for, whether you're a couple on a honeymoon or a family with toddlers, and where the real differences lie in terms of food, service, and that wow factor. We'll start with our reliable favorites and work our way up to the absolute gold standard of Mexican hospitality. Stick around until the end to see which resort takes the #1 spot, because it's located on a beach that is consistently voted one of the best in the world. Without further ado, let's kick things off with number 6, the top 6 countdown. Number 6, Dreams Riviera Cancun Resort and Spa. Starting our list is a long-standing heavyweight in the region, Dreams Riviera Cancun Resort and Spa. This property is a dependable, full-scale, all-inclusive set along a prime stretch of beach just south of the charming town of Puerto Morelos. Location and vibe. The location here is strategic. It's close enough to the Cancun airport for a quick 20-minute transfer, yet far enough away from the high-rise hotel zone to feel settled and unrushed. It operates under the unlimited luxury concept, which means you can say goodbye to those annoying plastic wristbands and the stress of making dinner reservations. It strikes a smart balance, making it a dependable choice for couples and families who want variety and comfort in a well-run environment. The accommodations. What makes Dreams unique is its architecture. The rooms feature a distinctive octagonal suite design. This isn't just for looks. It gives the rooms a spacious, airy feel that sets them apart from the standard hotel room. Many of these suites come with generous bathrooms and indoor whirlpool tubs, which are still a massive hit for travelers looking for a bit of extra pampering. Activities and dining. There are 3 main pools, including a dedicated adults-only infinity pool and a separate children's pool. This natural separation means you can find quiet areas even when the resort is full. For families, the Explorers Club keeps kids busy with organized activities, freeing up time for parents to enjoy a meal at Bordeaux, their polished French restaurant, or casual seafood by the beach. Number 5, Ocean Coral Turquesa. At number 5, we have the Ocean Coral Turquesa. If you are the type of traveler who want a lot of choices without constantly having to pay for upgrades, this is a solid fit for couples, families, and multi-generational groups. The Underwater Advantage. Located in Puerto Morelos, this resort sits right in front of reef, which adds real depth to the experience. Snorkeling and scuba diving are genuine highlights here. They have an on-site dive center offering reef dives, lessons, and even cenote excursions. If you want an active beach rather than just a place to lie out, this is it. The El Beso experience. What we love about this property is how it caters to different moods. One pool is social with aqua fitness and games, while others are geared toward quiet lounging. If you want more settled pace, you can opt into the El Beso adults-only section. It comes with calmer pool areas and couples-focused dining, allowing you to enjoy the amenities of a large resort while having a private sanctuary to retreat to. Dining variety. Dining remains familiar and flexible. You have a large international buffet supported by a la carte restaurants covering Mexican, Italian, Asian teppanyaki, and American-style options. They even have a coffee shop and creperie for those casual afternoon stops. Number 4, Royalton Riviera Cancun. Coming in at number 4 is a resort that has been completely transformed for 2026. the Royalton Riviera Cancun. This earned its place on the list as one of the largest and most feature-packed family resorts in the area, now strengthened by a full renovation. The 2025/2026 refresh. After an extended closure, the resort reopened in late 2025 with refreshed suites, redesigned pools, and upgraded public spaces. The core identity is still there. It's a resort built for variety, but now everything feels cleaner, smoother, and much more current. Endless entertainment. This place is massive. It feels more like a self-contained complex than a simple hotel. With more than 10 pools, a large splash park, and dedicated clubs for both kids and teens, there's always something happening. Adults can dip into fitness classes, the on-site casino, or live-themed shows. It's perfect for those who want a lively atmosphere, where you never have to leave the property to find fun. The Diamond Club. Because of the resort scale, we highly recommend the Diamond Club upgrade. It adds butler service, priority dining access, and more relaxed pool and beach areas. For families looking for a recently updated high-energy all-inclusive, this remains one of the strongest options for 2026. Number 3, Iberostar Selection Riviera Cancun. At number 3, we have the Iberostar Selection Riviera Cancun. This earns its place for taking a more measured, thoughtfully run approach than many of the higher energy resorts in the area. A refined relaunch. Formerly operating under different branding, this property was fully refreshed and relaunched in late 2025. It brought updated spaces and a clearer focus on balance rather than excess. It's an easy arrival, located roughly 20 minutes from the airport, but feels worlds away from the hustle and bustle. The vibe and accommodations. The atmosphere here stays composed, which tends to appeal to couples and parents traveling with older children. Accommodation is a real strong point. Rooms and suites are spacious and well-planned. The swim-up categories and beachfront rooms stand out of views, and direct water access matter to you. Quality over quantity. The food follows a balanced formula. Instead of an overwhelming number of restaurants, there's a focused lineup of Mexican, Italian, Spanish, and international venues. A major plus? No reservations are needed, which keeps your vacation schedule flexible and low effort. It's a quality-focused stay that seasoned all-inclusive visitors tend to trust. Number 2, Excellence Riviera Cancun. Number 2 takes us decisively into adults-only territory with the Excellence Riviera Cancun. This is where Riviera Cancun shifts into a more refined, composed atmosphere. The all-suite luxury, being an all-suite resort, immediately shapes the experience. Even the entry-level junior suites are generously sized and well-finished. The layout is built around winding pools that move through the grounds, making it easy to drift between your room, the water, and the beach without things ever feeling crowded. Service and freedom. Excellence is best known for how seamlessly everything runs. From the moment you arrive, everything feels fluid. They have a no-wristband policy and reservation-free dining across an impressive range of restaurants, from French and Indian to Mexican and lobster specialty spots. The Mile Spa. The spa here is a major draw in its own right, featuring a full hydrotherapy circuit and an extensive menu of wellness treatments. For guests who want to fully switch off, Excellence offers a sense of freedom and attentive service that many travelers come back for year after year. Number 1, Secrets Maroma Beach Riviera Cancun. Finally, we have reached the number 1 spot. This takes the top spot not just in Riviera Cancun, but in all of Mexico. Secrets Maroma Beach. The world-class beach. The resort is set on Maroma Beach, widely regarded as one of the best beaches in the world. It's famous for its crystal clear water and sand that stays cool even in the midday sun. From the suites to the shared spaces, everything here feels deliberately well managed. Activity meets relaxation. What really sets Secrets Maroma apart is the balance. Days unfold naturally, whether that means beach yoga, cocktail sessions, snorkeling, or simply settling in by the infinity pool with full waiter service. It feels sophisticated without being stuffy. Exquisite dining. Dining is another area where this resort separates itself. The lineup of gourmet a la carte restaurants is extensive. Reservations aren't required. An experience feels polished rather than rushed. Whether it's French, Pan-Asian, or fresh seafood, the quality stays consistently high even during peak season. If you want the ultimate 2026 Caribbean experience, this is a gold standard. Before you book, here are a few tips from the team at Punta Cana Todo Incluido to make your trip safe and comfortable. Check the links. I've added direct links in the description below, so you can check current prices and availability. Many options include free cancellation and reserve now, pay later features through Expedia, which is the most reliable source for these packages. Packing. Don't risk being uncomfortable. Riviera Cancun is tropical, so bring reef-safe sunscreen and light, breathable clothing. Support the channel. If you find our research helpful, the best way to support Punta Cana Todo Incluido is by using the affiliate links in the description. It doesn't cost you anything extra, but it helps us keep creating these guides for you. Thank you so much for watching. We hope this guide helped you find your dream all-inclusive resort in Riviera Cancun for 2026. Now, we want to hear from you. Which of these resorts are you adding to your bucket list? Or have you already stayed at one of them? Let us know in the comments below. The Punta Cana Todo Incluido community loves hearing your travel thoughts and tips. If this video was helpful, make sure to give it a like, subscribe to Punta Cana Todo Incluido, and hit that bell icon so you don't miss any of our upcoming travel guides. And if you're still looking for more ideas, check out the next video appearing on your screen right now. Travel often, and we'll see you in the next one.